Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a poll in Microsoft Teams quickly and easily. Polls are a great way to collect feedback, make decisions, or engage with your team. Whether you are in a meeting, a chat, or a community, adding a poll takes just a few clicks. Stay tuned as I walk you through the steps. So, let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you are logged in. Then, go to the Community tab where you want to create a poll. Click on Start a New Post under the Post section. In the post, click on the plus icon to expand the options. Then, select polls from the list. Now, enter your question and add multiple choice options for responses. If needed, you can also allow multiple answers. Click Preview to check how your poll will look. If everything looks good, click Send and your poll will be posted for everyone to vote. You can track the results in real time as well. And that's it. Now you know how to create a poll in Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.